It's visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
So first do one thing, go to your requirement.
Okay, sir.
And also, can you open the UX design?
Sir, I'm created database design.
UX design already was given, shared to you.
No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
So looking at this invoice, now how many tables you have created?
Sir, I have created 7 tables, sir.
7 tables. Okay.
Yeah. Can I show,
Can
sir?
you tell me those tables? No, look at this. But you remember those tables anyway, right?
Yes, sir.
You tell me, looking at this UX design, tell me which data goes to which table.
Okay, sir.
So you have to think like this. So someone logs in first. For that, which table is referred. After that, when they come to this page, normally they will do. They will create an invoice. They can view the existing invoice or list of invoices like that. So think from that point of view and then explain. Or else, let's do one thing. Show
Okay,
me the
sir.
first table, one by one table you show me, and then
Okay, sir.
show me the mapping in this UX page.
Okay, sir. Sure. The first one is a user table. It
Because
contains
this
the.
is the same table which we have already, right?
Sir?
For your existing microservice, you have the user table already, right? It is same or different?
Sir, it's contain only username and email, sir. User ID and username only. Sir, in this existing microservices, the DB design contains only one table, sir. So I'm little bit confused about this. So only this table itself. It created total time zone services only, sir. Like time zone ID, name, and description
Which
status.
microservices you have done? Time zone and
Time zone and another one is degree services. GTS degree
degree
services.
services. And for that, you needed tokens, right?
Yes, sir.
For creating the token, you definitely have user table, right? Go to your
Yes, sir.
database.
Sir, can I open in Visual Studio or MySQL, sir?
MySQL Workbench. So remember, any data which you see in a requirement,
Okay.
okay, that needs to go to the existing tables.
Okay, sir.
So you are working in the service platform product, and
Mm.
that has some specific tables already. So first
Uh,
you have to see which of the existing table you can reuse. If it is not there, then you can create a new table.
Sir, you also contains the password and role permissions.
Yeah, exactly. So identity service is using our user table. That same table you have to utilize. And I think you should have that DB design already for the user table.
Yes.
GTS users, is your user table, right? So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to use
GTS
that
users.
table and you have to map your data. Okay, so change your database design as per this. So you should have only these 4 columns.
Sir, this is a GTS time zone table. Sir, here it cannot
And
open.
open that GTS users table.
Yes, sir, it
And you
cannot.
can type the command desk and the table name,
Sir, where?
SQL editor here only. You know how to see the table description.
I know, sir.
Have you done any tutorial or any practices on SQL?
No, sir, just basic. I gone through when you share the microservices. I'm just how to creating and how to implement this.
So SQL is mandatory, okay, for any Java developer. So open your task list. You need to learn these basic queries of SQL. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
go through any basic tutorial, learn all the queries. So you not necessarily you have to buy it, but you have to go through, run them, practice it, and become familiar with all types of queries.
Okay,
That
sir.
whenever you have certain requirements, you can refer online, search the query, and you can run accordingly. So
Okay, sir.
understanding the queries is very important. That's
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure.
so. Okay, so now you do one thing. So you are going to refer the table which we have already. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, your next table,
Buyers table.
buyers table. Okay. So you don't need any table for buyers because that will be a role basically. So go to your
Hmm.
database again, and there is a table called GTS roles.
Yes, sir. GTS rules.
Right. So here, open that. Here, how you have admin, employer, job seeker, like that, it will be buyer is nothing but a consumer. You are consuming something, right? That is nothing
Yes.
but you are buying, right? The consumer is called the buyer.
Okay, sir.
So you don't need a separate table for buyers.
So I will only change the users tables only according to that. So by
Huh. You don't need to change. You need to use exactly same what we have. GTS
okay,
users, GTS roles.
okay, sir.
Move to the next table,
Invoices table.
invoices table. Yeah. So this is required. Okay.
Okay.
How many tables you have related to invoice?
Three tables, sir. One is invoice and another one is invoice item and invoice status.
Invoice status. Invoice status. Let me see first what you have. What you have
Sir,
in.
only status ID and status name.
No, you don't need it because status is already maintained in the invoices table. Na?
Yes, sir.
Mark a note. Delete
Okay,
this
sir.
table.
Okay, sir.
Just a
Sure.
comment afterwards. You
Yes.
delete this table. Just comment it there. Now go to the invoices table. So what are the things you are capturing? Invoice ID, user ID, buyer ID, then invoice number, invoice date, due date, total amount, tax amount. Total amount is not required because that will be coming from the items table. So delete this table, the column. discount discount, it will not be amount, it could be discount percent. It is a currency ID, and it will be again foreign key to currencies table. Okay, comment it. Currency ID will be a foreign key. There is nothing called a status ID. It will be a status 0 or 1, or it could be different digits basically. And how can you say it is a big int? Why you are saying it is a big int?
Sir, it's ID contains the number, sir. That's why I'm writing teacher.
It has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum 5, 6. Only one digit number it will be always. So it will be a smallest one. So refer other tables where what is the status column could be bit mostly, but you check it and then correct accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Right? Back to the this one. What is this table name?
Invoice items.
You say invoice details. So invoice ID, item ID, description, unit price, and here actually discount is done on the line item level, right? And also total level. So here also put a discount column, discount percentage. Add the remaining details later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then what you have?
Payment table.
Payment table. Yeah. Payment ID, invoice ID, payment date, amount, payment method, status, created at, updated at. Okay. Next table.
Sir, invoice status, you told that it's not required. And the last one is country table.
Country. We have the countries table already. So delete it. You have to use the existing one. Okay. Now go back to your UX design. So now let's see which data is coming from which table. Okay. So you have this company's company name, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
there will be some table related to company. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need a table for companies.
Okay, sir. I will create it.
Then next is let's say, so there will be company drop down basically. Address, right? You have all these addresses, company addresses. So you need a table for addresses. It's an existing table, okay?
Okay, sir.
Countries and addresses are existing table. Then what else? Then you have to pull the signature, right?
Yes, sir.
So you need to have the signatures table.
Companies tables and addresses and the signature table.
Signatures table. Yeah. So these are the basic databases, database tables which you need.
Okay, sir.
But there are lot more to come actually. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the next step is, see, this is a basic design for the invoice. This is a the invoice detail page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What you need to do is now discuss with Radha. She is the UX designer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
with her discuss, and for the requirement which you need to have UX designs for each of those pages.
Okay, sir.
Explain this to her first, and then say that I need the UX designs for all those. I think she might have already, because we had discussed this once. Even if it is not there, she will do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So based on those UX designs, you will then go to the next step. I mean, you will revise it again, and you will see if any more tables are required or not.
Sir, now only I will connect with Sharada or what, sir?
Yeah, you can connect. You can check if she is available. Go ahead and connect.
Okay, sir. So once I will start the basic SQL query, sir, then later I will connect with Sharada, sir.
Do it parallelly, because this discussion will take some time, because you may not be available every time, and there will be multiple back and forth, right?
Okay, okay,
So
sir.
half day you spend for this requirement, or few hours, and few hours for the SQL queries.
Okay, sir. Sir, because I don't know, sir, what are the UX designs wants for this?
Open the requirement. So functionalities, users. So you have this create invoice, edit invoice, send
Yes.
invoice, download.
Download.
So for each of these functionalities, there will be some UX designs.
Okay, sir.
So once she goes through it, she will come to know. You just need to tell her about this requirement, that I'm working on this, and you got the instruction that you need the UX pages.
Okay, sir.
If she has any doubts, then she will connect to me. I will explain her and give her more details.
Okay, sir. Can I share these requirements and I will
Requirement
discuss?
and the UX, I mean that PDF both.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go to the ER diagram quickly. You have to change those as per the new tables.
Okay, sir.
But let me see. Users, then invoices. Invoices will be invoice item or details, and you will have payments. Buyers will not be there. It comes from the user roles. Countries also will be mapped already. Invoice status.
So these three tables are not required.
And have invoice history also. Make a note, invoice history. So
Okay,
all the
sir.
invoices which will be closed, it will go to the archival tables history.
History. Okay, sir.
So these all things, whatever we discussed, once you are done, and make a note that you need to make an entry for every task in the task list.
Okay,
And
sir.
then we will review again, and then I will tell you the next step.
Sir, invoice is history. What can I create, sir? Because invoice contains all the details. Sir.
Invoices, whenever it will be closed, right? After 1 month, it will be moved to history table.
Okay.
So we keep the invoice, or maybe for one financial year we will keep in the invoices table, and then after 1 year, history table.
Sir, in the history tables, what are the columns it contains, sir? Column names.
Same columns.
Like invoice ID, user ID, and date. Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, sure.
Any question, any doubt?
No, sir. I will work on that, and if any queries, I will just ping you, sir.
Any feedback, how it is going, your learning?
Sir, it's going good. These are all new things to me, so that's why a little bit nervous about that. How can I work?
Things, so that is expected, right?
Yes, sir. Because
as many new things you see, you will you can imagine that you are learning more, because
yes,
purpose of this internship is to learn the new things.
yes, sir. Because in the previous, I have not created the ER diagrams and database designs. I just worked on the already built projects, sir. So I think it's little bit difficult to me because I don't know, right, sir? So I,
I mean, this is how you learn it, and
so I try to learn
it just
using
takes
this chat
couple of
GPT.
projects to do. You do 2-3 projects, and after that you will become expert.
Okay, sir. Sure.
That is why I'm telling every time prepare a very nice PPT and make a recording so that in future you can refer and it will be very easy to memorize.
Yes,
And
sir.
that is what is going to help you in the interviews.
I try to work on that, sir, because I don't know how to work and what are the things I need to implement or write. That's
Maybe you take one more note. Then in that case, uh, prepare a PPT on DB design, DB
okay, sir.
design
Sure.
and ER diagram. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
you
Sure.
explore couple of videos and articles, prepare a
Okay, sir.
PPT, then you all concepts will be clear.
Okay, sir. Sure. Sir, in the
So
team,
here,
anyone of
all the lines which you are giving, no, everything has a very good meaning,
okay, sir.
right? All
Yes, sir.
ER database design, all different principles you need to know.
Okay, sir. Sure. Sir, in the team, any one of their Java developers are there?
Actually, those people got job and they cleared. So I think you are the only one at this moment.
Yes, sir.
Remaining people they already completed and they got job.
Okay, sir. Sure.
But don't worry, I will guide you like this. This is
Okay, sir.
helping, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll guide you. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. I will be able to help.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, then let's catch up
Oh,
again later.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.